How to turn off stages, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off stages, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find the settings and then notifications, and here just click stages, and now just turn SMS off and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.